Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, I posted that shorts video last week saying that I was going to start some new videos, but I did my hair, did a treatment in the hair, and I think I may have used too much of something. I think most likely the peppermint oil, because I felt that burn from the time I did that treatment. Anywho, so what happened, I got a lot of little pimples on my scalp, a lot of little pimples. So I had to go through the entire week of wetting the hair every day so that I could wash out everything and to ensure that I wet the little pimples, because that's the only way I was getting some relief, guys. So I had to just start all over. So as you see it is now, I'm going to go through and do a little conditioning rinse, conditioning wash, I guess, because I washed it last week, so I don't need to go for a full-on wash again. So yeah, but I'm gonna do that so that I can go back into doing a stretch, like doing a quick blow dry stretch, so that I can do some styles for you all. I'm thinking that I may start another, I'm thinking that I'm going to go into doing another hairstyles for work series for you guys, to put a few of the hairstyles I have really been rocking for the past few months for work. So yeah, I'm hoping that I can start getting that done by tomorrow, hopefully. We can only hope for the best. And yeah, so I wanted to come on here because I didn't want to have you all think that I gave you all false hope about doing the hairstyles, but I really could not have started doing the hairstyles last week because my scalp was just too sore to do anything. I mean, there was a night I had to do something with it for work every day, so when I wet it, I put it in like the two twists, and then at night I had to try and detangle it because I didn't want it to be too wet for it to get too matted because of the scalp being so sore. There was a night I was literally crying, like actual tears, guys, because it was so painful, you know. And when I was going through that, I started crying too, and in those tears I started remembering my daughter from when she was like really young, and she had this little thing on her scalp, you know, and it made me cry even more because I started thinking to myself, like, you know, how painful that must have been for her back then. And anywho, it was just a terrible week in all aspects of it, every single aspect of it. I mean, mentally, from work, stresses from work, and it was just a terrible week. So, you know, and I think the stresses from work may have added to the whole little situation with the soreness on my scalp. So yeah, but anywho, all that aside, that's gone, it's in the past, whatever, we're moving on, keep moving forward. So I'm gonna get the hair, you know, detangled. I think I need to do a little detangling on it. It's not so rough anymore, but I need to get it detangled. I need to do a conditioning wash. I won't do a full-on wash. Like I said, I washed it last week, so I'll just do some conditioner to detangle it. And then I am definitely going to share with you all the blow drying, because I have been using this handy dandy little blow dryer from Revlon for the past couple of months, and let me tell you, don't let the size fool you. This works amazing. So I will do a review of that when I am doing the blow drying later, when I get the hair washed. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'm actually really excited to be back on here. It's been too long. It's been way too long, but I figured, you know what, if I'm going to spend time, so much time for work and so much time getting other people to make money, I'm gonna put the time into myself so that I can start doing things for myself to, you know, make money for my own self. Yeah, I'm saying self a lot because at the end of the day, it's not a matter of being selfish, it's a matter of being taking care of yourself, and it's a matter of doing stuff that you want and what makes you happy. And if you're not happy, then you're not able to extend that happiness to others and to anything else. So yes, I'm excited to start doing this for you guys. Hope to see you all soon, most likely tomorrow. I may start the series from maybe tomorrow, or if not, Tuesday or Wednesday. I think when I posted the hairstyles video, I used to do it on a Wednesday before, so we'll see. But I think if we start fresh on a Monday, then it gives you options to go into the week. So I may share 1 or 2 styles for the week for the hairstyles for work, and we will start with that. So see you all tomorrow. Bye.